Hi guys! Today I'll be doing a tour of all my fidgets.
So let's get started.
First we have the poppets. So what I have for the poppets is I have this cool drink poppet that has little drinks on it, each pop. Then I have this like weird textured foam poppet, pizza I think. And then we have this patriotic poppet of a shooting star. Let me know in the comments down below why there's purple on it, because that's not a patriotic color. Then we have this baseball poppet. So, yeah. Then we have this camouflage jet poppet. And I saved all the rainbow ones for last. We have this square poppet, except it has a hole in it. Then we have this circle poppet. Last but not least, we have this rainbow octagon. So that was it for the poppets. Then we have the mini poppets. So we have these mini poppets. We have this blue and white one. We have this flower one, pizza poppet, square poppet, crab poppet, and then this like orange and yellow square, yellow and white square. Last we have this glow in the dark dinosaur. And for the marble mesh and zipper bracelets, we have this red marble mesh, blue marble mesh, and then this mini green marble mesh. And for we have a zipper bracelet, and my green one is missing, so yeah. Next we have poppet stuff. This is like stuff that has poppets on it, but they're not actually poppets. So we have this poppet ball. We have this poppet bracelet, and we have this little strip. Then we have a poppet ring. Then we have a half poppet ball, and the other half is right here. Then we have this blue poppet ball, another poppet bracelet, this weird thingamajiggy, and then we have this octopus, and then whatever this is supposed to be. So that's it for the poppet stuff. For the random fidgets, we have this puzzle ball. We have these little metal balls. We have this soccer fidget spinner. We have this marbled infinity cube. We have this fidget spinner. I am missing my cotton candy infinity cube, sadly, because my little brother took it. But anyway, I have this thingy. I don't really know what it's called. We have these, where is it? Oh, there it is. We have these two things that stick together. We have this orbit ball. We have this. We have 1 and 2 snappers. What? This is not even a fidget. Oh well. We have this little soft spike ball. We have this fidget pad. We have this little blue slinky. We have this fidget spinner, metallic. Oh, it's almost overflowing up there. We have this weird thingy. We have 3 acupressure rings. And then we have this bike chain. Next drawer. For these balls, we have this purple Neato, egg splat ball, this weird germ thingy, this banana, this pink Orbeez stress ball. We also did have a sand-filled corgi dog, but my little brother lost that. Now we have these, we have the wacky tracks and stuff, and the snakes and the tangle and stuff like that. We have this robot. It has a dimple head and a fidget spinner body, and then its arms and legs are wacky track. And then we have this blue snake, this wacky track fidget spinner. Whatever. We have this green and orange wacky track, and then we have this blue and white tangle. We're almost getting to the end, but these are my DIY fidgets. As you can tell, I'm very bad at making fidgets. But we have this pop socket, if I can ever get it out. Yeah, I got it out. Then we have this DIY marble and mesh. This weird thingy. I just use this as a fidget. Then whatever this, I don't know what that is anymore. This ball filled with glitter. And then we have our foam squishies. Wait, I did. I missed all these. So these are my mochis, so this might take a while. Whoa, okay. So first we have this little blue seal. We have this little doggy thingy. We have this pile of goo. We have this little cat. We have a skull. We have a big cat. We have this little piggy. We have 1, 2, 3 bears. We have this little cat, dinosaur hatching out of an egg, a bunny with no face, an orange elephant, purple dragon, glow-in-the-dark dog, little chicken, 1 skinny hedgehog, and then 1 fat hedgehog. Actually, no, yeah. And then this is also a hedgehog. That's blue. This white koala. Yellow star. This bow. And last but not least, we have this octopus. Okay, now we can move on. So for this, we have pop tubes and monkey noodles. We have this green pop tube, this blue pop tube, and we have this unicorn monkey noodle that's pink, then this pink and blue mini monkey noodles. So then we have this llama squishy, this football squishy, world stress ball, and then this Slarzing poop squishy. That's it for the squishies. Now we have our dimples. I don't have very many, I only have 3. But here is the butterfly dimple. Here is this dimple, it's a fidget spinner. And here's this dimple, which is also a fidget spinner. Ugh. It's not working too well, but oh well. Then last drawer we have like the putty and clay and the slimes stuff and sand, stuff like that. So we have this crazy iron stinking putty. The color is Imperial Crown, if you didn't know. Here's some lava sand in a bag. And then here's a whole bunch of that modern clay that's really fun to play with. And lastly, we have this thing of kinetic sand. So that finishes it up. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.